Morning guys, it's Kent and Sherry. I want to talk to you about wild edibles. Okay? You got the dewberries, or the smaller blackberries. They're really good tasting. Really sweet. And wild garlic. Wild garlic, guys. Here it is. A bunch of it here on Finch Row. I'm gonna dig it up there and show it to you what it looks like in my truck. The wild garlic roots are really deep. You gotta dig under them and I'll get to them there. Alright guys, just a wild root, wild garlic roots. See all these here? I'm gonna let these all dry out. Separate them when I get home. That's a lot of garlic. I wish y'all could be here to look at these. They've gone to seed. The flowers have. We can get those and plant those also. But the garlic root's doing really good. If you could, real quick, going back to smell-o-vision, guys. You ready? Take a real deep breath. Woo, buddy. Strong garlic, but it'll be good to cook with. So there you go, some wild edibles, wild garlic, and we'll talk to y'all later. So there you go, guys. Two things right in my backyard. We've got the wild dewberries, blackberries some folks called, really close around. They're called dewberries here in Texas. And then we have the wild garlic, and boy, them, you saw them bulbs, them things were huge, kind of like giant garlic. It's really strong, pungent smell. They cook up real good. They dry out real well. So see those around, look them up, try them out, see what you think. If you your garden doesn't do well in your garden, you can always go out to the woods and harvest them from old Mother Nature. All right, guys. Hey, man, we appreciate y'all being here. Y'all live well, man, and of course and always, God bless y'all. Talk to y'all real soon.